Alright, mela, ħanibdew il-long chest and back. Alright, ħajkon daqxejn ta' two parts differenti. In the meantime, għaxejn t-spiegalkom ħanfollow jew daqxejn Mattejos waqt il-warming up. Għanna part 1 faħatkun Tabata. 20 seconds working time, 10 seconds rest. Fit-Tabata li tkun tmorru all out. Alright? All out. ħajkunu ħinijiet qosra u għandkom exercises li żguru mhux forsi tafuhom by now. Eżempju għandkom star jumps, skipping rope, jump to fast feet u squat jumps. Qabel nibdew ngħid il-Mattejos ramna waħda ħalli intom tkunu diġà on alert u tkunu lesti dawk it-10 seconds, tkunu lesti biex f'dawk it-20 seconds you go literally all out. Alright? U bat wara fit-tieni part ħanifukaw iktar fuq il-chest and back. Alright? Fejn għandna Lunge Chop, okay? Plank with rows, nippreparaw il-weights, okay? Kettlebell Swings, chest fly, chest press u walk-ins. Preparaw ukoll daqsxejn mat. L-exercise li għandna mal-art kollha jistgħu jsiru bil-wieqfa, bil-plank with row tista' ssir bil-wieqfa u l-walk-ins nistgħu nagħmlu variations vera ftit ġifieri min ma jistax insar mal-art, don't worry at all. Alright?
Jina li beżdan il-flow coach biex ngħidu thank you lin-nurses, it-tobba, il-cleaners, il-helpers, kull min jaħdem reġistrar, il-klinik, lis-soldati, lill-politiċi, insomma, grazzi li tieħdu ħsiebna. Fidek.
Alright, Matt, kemm tolina waħda star jump? Alright, that's a star jump. Skipping. Jista' jkun bil-skipping rope, jista' jkun mingħajr, però fast. Skipping, fast as you can. Alright, remember, you need to go all out, so as fast as possible. Okay? Mela, alright, ħanurina jump to fast feet. Mela, jump forward. Fast feet back. Jump forward. Fast feet back. That's the third one. Min ma jistax jaqbes ħajamela squat, walk forward, and that's it. And back. Alright? Squat, walk forward, and back it kent marru l-isfel iktar aħjar. U mbagħad l-aħħar waħda għandna squat jumps on the spot. Squat jump as fast as you can laħwa and all out. Alright? Min ma jistax jaqbes ħajamel squat, ħajmel start u the ceiling. Alright? U as fast as you can again. Alright? Dawk huma it-tlet exercises ta' Tabata li jidhom tkunu 100% ready għalihom. Alright? Ħanibdew bl-ewwel party. Ħanibdew bil-star jumps għandkom 20 seconds. Alright? Tana 3, 2, 1, let's go! All out, all out, all out, come on! 5,
3, 2, 1.
Yes, 10 seconds. Preparaw għall-skipping. As fast as you can. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Skipping, 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 skipping. Mattejos ma kienx less. Fast, 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 fast. Wara di għanna jump to fast feet.
3, 2, 1.
And rest. Rest. 10 seconds rest. Jump to fast feet, 5 seconds.
3, 2, 1.
Let's go.
Work.
Jump forward. Takru, xqedtilkom għamil ma jistax jaqbes. Go, 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 go as fast as you can. Go, 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 go. 5 seconds.
3, 2, 1.
Rest.
Rest.
Alright, last one, squat jumps. 5 seconds.
3, 2.
All out, Lahwa, let's go.
Work.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. 5 seconds.
3, 2, 1.
Alright, 30 seconds rest. Ħanżommu l-weights fidejna. Ħanibdew bil-lunge chop. Alright? Bat għandna il-plank with rows, sommu l-weights, kettlebell swing, tistgħu użaw kettlebell, użaw il-weights kif tridu intom, tistgħu użaw fix-xkien tal-ilma, daw l-exercises, chest fly, chest press, walk-ins, il-lunge chop, one foot out, and down. Alright? Plana. 3. Mux 3 xejn. Ready? Wait. 5 seconds.
3, 2, 1.
Għal-qodem fuq l-istess sir. Chop, qodem emmek. Emmek. U intra. Good, sit down. And up. Very good, very good. Well done. Well done.
Work.
Għal-qodem fuq l-istess siq, irram ta' wara, nbidlu s-siq, alright? 10 seconds left, u morru għal-plank with rows, fejn għandna bżonn żewġ weights. 3, 2, 1, alright. Plank with rows, mela ħammorru plank jew push-up position, insomma push-up position. Alright, so we'll wait saħna. 3, 2, 1, let's go! Tajjeb, let's go! Wara di għanna l-kettlebell swing, jew weight swing, jew fishkun swing. Għalaw xankom intom, 15 seconds, keep it going. Għarrat namlu l-exercise għawa tistaw tamlu jew bil-wiefa, jew inkella ma jistax jamela in a push-up position jibqaw on the knees.
3, 2, 1.
Alright, very good. Kettlebell swing. Zommu l-weights biċin. 3, 2, 1, let's go! Tajjeb, well done. 10 seconds left, tomorrow I'll chest fly.
3, 2, 1.
Alright, go tricks. Tomorrow chest fly. Let's go. Nistaw ma jistax nġamma għad s-semlom bil-kifa l-ħu, right? Very good, 15 seconds left. Wara di għanna chest press.
3, 2, 1. Work.
Alright, għanna bil-chest press. L-istess, ma xafajn tinżlu mal-art, tistaw tibqaw il-wiqfa min jinżel mal-art, stejk mal-art, alright? Very good. Courage.
It seems our fits are shot.
15 seconds left. Five. Courage. 3,
2, 1.
Alright. Ammorru għal walk-ins. U nistaw nżidu push-up. It's up to you. jistax jinżel daqshekk u ma jrid minn għandu huwa li jinżel squat, alright? Touch the ground, waraw intu sa fejn tistgħu taslu. Jekk touching the ground is already challenging, aslu semmek this, alright?
3, 2, 1.
Alright, very good,
Rest.
rest. Tajjeb ħafna, ħamorru nerġgħu għal tabata. Għal-waqt għandkom 60 second rest darba, alright? U ħanerġgħu nibdew bil-istess exercises, star jumps, skipping, jump to fast feet u squat jumps. Fattilkom l-ewwel fit-tabata rridkom tmorru letteralment all out. Okay? Ija ma tkomx iktar kardix bil-ewwel parti, tkun jista' jkun b'saħħitha. Ten seconds. Go as hard as you can go. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, star jumps.
Work.
Five seconds left and we rest. Push, 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 push.
2, 1. Rest.
More while skipping. 3.
2, 1. Work.
Fast, 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 fast.
Ready when you are.
3, 2, 1.
And rest. Alright, next one. Jump to fast feet. Insewx il-variation dan ma jistax jaqbel.
3, 2, 1.
Let's go. Tajjeb, 5 seconds.
3, 2, 1.
Rest. And last squat jumps. Last push. 5.
3, 2, 1. Work.
Good, good, good. Push, push, push. Your last cardio exercise. Come on. Rest 3 seconds. Come on.
1.
30
Rest.
seconds rest. Għanżommu l-weight, the-gym. Għalħeġa nibdow bil-lunge chop namlu s-siq l-oħra l-darba, right? Ma jkunx jista' jinżel lunge kol ma jitmu għandu, juhu l-istep l-ura u jgħamil il-chop biss, ma tkomx għalfejn tinżlu għal-lunge, right?
Three,
Ready?
2, 1.
Tinsewx naħamlu s-siq l-oħra l-darba, right? Very good. Tinsewx tinżlu lunge tiżilhom. Min jista'. That's it. Tajjeb li kun hemm mument nisqarkom ukoll jekk hu possibbli laħu kuraġġ. Wara din għandna plank with rows.
2, 1. Work.
Sommu l-weights viċin. Let's go! Tinsewx li ma jistax jagħmilha mal-art jagħmilha bil-wieqfa. Kontra l-ħajt jew mingħajr ħajt, it's okay ukoll. Ma jistax jagħmilha normali kif qed jagħmilha Mattejus, jagħmilha on the knees ukoll, variation oħra. good, very good. Keep it going, well done. You're doing really good. Wara ħammur wa chest fly. Ma jistax jinżel mal-art, m'għandux għalfejn jinżel mal-art.
Work.
Tajjeb, ħafna well done. L-istess movement jekk jgħidu bil-wif, għala hu. Ħannifħu u nieħdu shoulders. Lura kien jista' jkun. 5 seconds! Kuraġġ, kuraġġ!
3, 2, 1.
Morra chest press! Chest press! Keep it up, well done. 15 seconds left, Lisa, courage, courage. 10. 5, 4.
3, 2, 1.
Anna walking.
Work.
Fattilkom l-ħwa, raw intom sa fejn tistgħu taslu, alright? Seconds. 10 seconds. Come on, come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes. Għandkom 60 seconds rest. Alright? U tal-axħar laħu, alright? Ħanġa repetuwa tal-axħar. Il-lunge chop li rrit minn għandkom, on the 20 seconds għandkom change leg. Alright? Għandkom both legs t-darba. Jek tidu taraw li t-naqsu daqxen weight biex il-repetitions jibqaw għaddejjin, tridu do so as well. Nibdew bit-tabata għal-waqt, nibdew bil-star jumps, skipping, jump, fast feet u squat jumps. Araw li għandkom il-weights preparati għal-wara wkoll. 15 seconds. 10 seconds, positions, għal-star jump. All out, remember, go as hard as you can.
3, 2, 1.
Let's go.
Work.
Push, 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 push.
Three, 2, 1.
And rest. Someone while
Rest.
skipping. 5 seconds.
3, 2, 1. Work.
Well done. Remember, as high as you can go. Last 2 seconds. Last 2 exercises. Jump to fast feet.
3, 2, 1. Work.
Nridkom toħorġu l-istess kollu li għandkom.
Three, 2, 1.
And rest.
Rest.
L-aħħar exercise, squat jumps.
3, 2, 1.
Let's go.
Work.
Yes, ħanġa nibdew bil-lunge chop, tinsewx. On the 20 seconds, jina ħanajdilkom tbidlu saqajkom, alright? Ma trijus probabli ma fuq l-istess sieq, għamil tiġaw s-sela mara. Preparaw il-weights, għaraw li kolkom kollox lestu xejn fil-nofs. Għaddaw bil-lunge chop, 5 seconds.
3, 2, 1.
Let's go! Tired, well done. Change leg.
Hurts.
Put that. Last 3 seconds.
3, 2, 1.
All right, come on, rotate with row. Let's go, push. Courage. 20 seconds left.
One. Work.
Good. I have half an hour, 15 seconds left. 10 seconds.
Three, two, one.
And rest. I'll compliment chest fly. Positions. Ready? Let's go. Tired. Keep it up. Come on. 15 seconds left. 5, 4,
3, 2.
more on chest press.
Work.
Good. Well done. Very good. Lahwa. Courage. Tidejqux naqsu l-weights biex il-repetitions jibqgħu għaddejjin l-ewwel, right? Pjuttost aħjar inżommu repetitions mill-weights qal. 15 seconds left. 5, 4, 3,
2, 1.
All right, that's the exercise. More wall walk-ins. Good. Go. Come on. This will be our last exercise.
2, 1.
And
Cool
rest.
down.
Well done. Very good. Very good, very good. Walk it off. Importanti nżommu x'gamal magħna l-aħwa.
Indeed.
Okay. One deep breath. Bidejna wara ħanollu għal fuq kemm jista' jkun. Alright, and bidejna l fuq. Stretch together. Okay, minn hemmhekk mor fuqha waħda. Change side. Alright, għandu id wara rasna, nġdu għal-isfel kemm jista' jkun. Change arm. Alright, ħan tusaqajna, nistretċjaw l-isfel. Morru lura kemm jista' jkun. Ħanidejna lura. Okay, ħamor fuqna waħda issa. Change side. Alright, relax, shake arms, shake legs. 3, 2, 1.